Sony XM4s, my first pair of grown-up headphones. I've been daily using these ones for the last 5 years. Meetings, music, or just silence. I keep them on my head even when I'm not listening to music or I'm not in a meeting, because the noise cancellation is great. But it's time to upgrade.
On days gone by when you and I were new, once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me, but I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream, each moment passes. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. Pardon my plea.